Okay, I have it ready. I'm going to turn on the transformer, and what this tells me is the transformer is on and it's triggering the forward or reverse, so there is power to the piece. So what I should be seeing is a puff and chuff, and this is on normally open, so if I puff it, you see that? We see power going to the relay and power going to the motor. Okay, so that's puff and chuff. Now, if I add power and I don't have any lights going, but I have power here, that means a motor is off, but I have power to the track and I should have idle. Yes, we do. Fan on. Okay, so this is idle speed. Now I'm on puff and chuff. Okay, that's how it's supposed to work. Now, the other thing I want to note is at 20 miles an hour power, I'm getting this. Let's try 10. Even at 10 miles an hour, I'm getting this. Okay, so that means I now have low speed chuff, and what I put in was a 33 microfarad capacitor. I went through a few. I had a 33. It works, and everything works at low speed, which is what you wanted. See that? The fan even works at 10 and 20. So that's pretty cool. Now I feel confident with that. I'm going to go through my supplies, see if I have anything lower than a 33 and test it again and come down to the level where it's no buzzing and I can get a good fan operation, and then I'm going to modify my board in here, and that should make this much more reliable for everybody. Okay, that's pretty cool, I thought. I finally was able to mimic what this board does, what this complicated stuff does with a breadboard, so that I can verify the relay is getting the trigger it needs and blah, blah, blah. So we've got it. Now, my next step is going to be investigating the motor control board and checking out how I can get... How am I getting it now? Look at that. Instant switching is going on here. Am I holding this right so you can see it? You see that means on, a switch, neutral, a gear, neutral, a gear, instantly. Okay, let's think. That's without a motor. Okay. It's possible the relay on power goes through this capacitor. That still is not backdriving this guy. I wonder. I don't know. Well, I'm going to tune this one, and then I'm going to try that again and see if it works in the real. I'll try the real engine and see if it still works, and then I got to check and make sure we have all the right values for the resistor and the capacitor on the production boards. Okay, that's where I'm at. So here we go. We have it. I have a little test bed here. I could wire this up tidy, nice, with, you know, solid wires, and actually just leave it so I can test everything when I need to. It's not a bad idea. If I added, like if I moved the guts here, I could put a little motor here with a chassis and no wheel, but just the motor and the gear, so this could be done by the motor. That might be another step to test some other thing. I don't know exactly. We'll see. We'll see. All right. All right. More later.